Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I'm going to be talking about a throttle body I bought from Altitudes Autowerks. I'm going to be doing unboxing. The reason I'm doing this is because I had a couple issues with them, so I want to make sure everything is straight. You know, I bought this product on April 4th. Today is April 20th. It took them about 2 weeks to be able to send me the product. They said they had a harness issue where they were missing a harness, and then after that they said the product had shipped. And then when I went to the tracking number, what they did was they created a label saying that it was shipped, but then when I called the post office said they were still awaiting the item to be able to be shipped. So today's April 20th. I just got it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, so to see how it goes. This box right here that you see right there is the CPE Excel kit, which I'm going to be installing too. I have another video. I did a block off to see how it sounds, so go check it out. The Focus ST turbo flutter, and let me know what you think. So here we got the papers from Altitudes Autowerks, right? We got what's this? Okay, we have a throttle body, kind of like a gasket kind of thing. Some type of gasket, okay. Okay, so here we got a coupler, Mishimoto. Wow, I didn't expect this. Okay. We have the harness here. But we can see the harness. We have the harness here. We have, and here's the throttle body. So, I mean, it looks pretty good, pretty big. It feels good material. It's made by FOMOCO. Yep, feels pretty good, and that's pretty much it. So we got everything here. We got the like a gasket kind of. We got the harness. We got the coupler here. We got the bolts. I think these are longer bolts to be able to make it fit. And then here's the throttle. I'm going to be installing this today. Also the CPE kit. Well, I will think about it. I'll probably do it. I'll probably not. The reason why is because I also bought an intake manifold, and I was thinking on doing everything the same day. So I don't know yet if I will do so. The car sounds amazing with that turbo flutter. Go check it out, Focus ST turbo flutter, and I'll let you guys know. Thank you. Alright guys, so here's an update. Here's the stock throttle body right here. So you can't really tell the difference. This one is way bigger. You can already tell right here. 63 millimeter. Installation was pretty straightforward. Just remove the intake manifold. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Unscrew those. Unplug all the sensors. Remove the charge pipe, the cold charge pipe, and it's pretty much it.